How are you? I am fine. So, let's start our class. Now, I am teaching maths first chapter. Now, you will say why maths first chapter, because second chapter was going on. I know, but let's take the first chapter because I don't know you understood the first chapter of maths or not. Okay? So, we are going to take the first chapter revision of the revision. It means the third standard, what you have learned. Okay then, let's start. So, I am writing the name of first chapter, which is revision. Okay, first chapter revision. Now, we will take okay, now let's go with the exercise. Okay, wait a minute. Let's go with the exercise. Now, it says first Roman, write in words. Write in words meant write the word in a spelling group. Write a word in a spelling. Okay, so now how to write a word? We have learned 1, tens, hundreds. Now, what is the front value? Yes, we have learned 4 digits. Then there are 5 digits is there. Now, how to write? So, there are 9,000 A1s you see. 9,342. Now, I guess some of you may forgot, some of you may not forgot if they are clever, if they are intelligent. Okay, so now let's see how to write in word. Now, for this question, what we do is find their place value. Find their place value. Place value. What's a place value? That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, these are the place values. Now, you have the third standard you have learned until this. And in the last video, I showed you the 10,000 and lakh and 10 lakh. But now we are not needing. So, let's go on the third standard. So, only till 1000. Now, okay, now let's see what are the place values of these digits. So, see. This is on the ones place, this is on the tens place, this is on the hundreds, and this is on the thousand place. So, 9 is on the thousand place. So, it says write in words, or if we do it by the multiplication form, how it will be? See, if I did it 9 into 1000, that will give me the perfect for the 9,000. That's so what? The 9, the simple 9 is multiplied with 1000, so I get the 9,000. But now, okay, it's in the 1000 place. So, what I will regroup it as, if I can't say it, as I did the multiplication way, I can use that way. But how to use it? First of all, I will think that the 9 is not in the 1000 place and just write 9. Like this. N-I-N-E, 9. Then, I remember the 1000. It was on the 1000 place. So, it will be 1000. 1000. Then, I know 342 you are learning it from second first. Okay. So, I know it. So, it's a 300. So, T-H-R-E-E. Or if you can't remember this also. So, see. Just that method only. That 3 into 100, that gives me 300. Then 4 into 10, that gives me 40. And 2 into 1, that gives me 2. Now you will say why we are multiplying with this. So see, in the 1000 value, what it says, it's 1000. This is a 1000 number. This is a 1000 number. So, the 1000 is a value too. Place value too. So, what I can do, the which number variety. So, I can write that number like here 9 and multiply it just with 1000. That's why I can get is what I get 9,000. So, like that is how 9,000. Now, 300 also this way. So, like write the 3. Remember that 100 is not there. 3 is written. Now, remember the place value which is on the 100. So, write it 100, 300. Then 4 also, if you can't 42, you will know that number. So, you will write 42. this is how you write 9342. 9342. This is what the place value works like. Now let's take the second. Okay. Now the second one. Let's see what says. The B1 says how to write 4380. 4380. Now I said this number. How we will do it? Using the place value. So this is on the ones place, this is on the tens place, this is on the hundreds place, and this is on the thousand place. So 4 is on the thousand place, I know. So what I will do is forgot the thousand, and just write 4. Forget the thousand. But now I will remember the thousand and write the thousand. 4000. Then I will cut the 300 and just write the 3 spelling. And then write the hundreds. Wait a minute. 300. Then, yes. Then I will remember the 8 and just write the 80. Now you will say it's 8 and no number. So it's 80 children. No, any number having a 0, it means we are skipping that number, like how 80 is written. So that time you have to remember. Now let's see the C1, the D1, you can do it. 6712. 6712. How to write this? 6. I will first of all write the place values. Okay. So 1, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 6 is on which place? It's on the thousand place. So I will write 6 and a thousand. 6 and a thousand. Then there is 7 on the hundreds place. First of all I will write 7. Then I will write the 100. Then there is ones in the tens. So what I will do is take these two numbers and write it what is in total. So it's a 12. And you forgot one thing in it. You forgot it. I was just testing you what you do. So what you forgot in this? The comma. What you forgot is comma. Placing a comma. Now here it will be a comma. Here will be a comma. Here will be a comma. Now when you try to do any sum in a calculator, it has in the answer there's a comma. There's a comma. So why this comma works? In the last video I said you the comma method and I said what you remember it or not. That's why here will be comma in each and every number. Like if there must be 6, 7, 8, 9. After 3, this 3 a comma replaced. Then after 2, 2, 2, 2 you count till the end of the number. Till end of the number. So any number like 5, 6, 1, 2. And if you can't, you will see 1, tens, hundreds, you will give the place value, and there is thousands, you will give a comma. And if the number already represents this comma, so you can read it easily. You know that this group is 1, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, and this group is in the thousand. Then you can read it. That's what a number works. The comma, place value, expanded notation, all. Now D1 to do it. D1 says, for the second hand English school I am saying, okay, 4th standard book. Now see it says 4039. D1 says 4039. Place a comma where you think. Place a comma. Write in words, okay. I am not writing it. And then next video I will take, so I will tell you, and so remember that homework I am giving you, I can't take that, okay. You have to do it with your mind. I will take in the exercise and you see in the exercise what I have taught you, and that method only you choose it for your homework I give you, okay. Now second Roman you take. Second Roman is write in figures. Second Roman, write in figures. Write in figures. Figures means to write the number. It means it will be given in words. You have to write in a number. Now, writing in a number is a little bit confusing, but I can clear it up. Okay, 6067. Wait a minute. 6000 and 67. 6067. Okay, how to represent this in a figure? So basically we know what is a number. So in the writing in words told us how the number. So now here, by placing comma, by knowing a little bit of place value can help over here. Yes, it surely helps you. Now let's take this sum on my board. So see, 6000 it says. So what it shows, this only shows me that the 6 is on the 1000 place, but there's no hundreds. No, so your number is 6067. So this is how you write 6067, children. Okay. So this is how we write 6067. Okay, this is, yes, it surely is. Correct guess, 6067. Hey, I have a doubt. There's 100 you read. That's a wrong guess. It's not like this written. 6067 is not surely not written as that. So how is it written? So see, children, this is the wrong method. So the correct method to write it is, wait a minute, yes. Correct method to write it is, see, 6 is only 1000, so it's true, it's correct of yours. But there is 67, so it doesn't has any 100. So why you are writing 100? So that will be just 67. So there is no on the hundreds place, so we will just give a 0. And 67 is there, so 67. This is how we write. So 6067. Now, what you have to do is go to the next question. No. What you have to do is place the comma. 6067. Where to place comma? This is on the ones place. This is on the tens place. This is on the hundreds place. Here will be comma, because this is the 1000 place. Before the 1000 place, there's a comma. There's always a comma. So this is the first one. Okay. Don't be wrong. Don't have confusion in zeros. Okay. And this is the third standard only now. Revision means the third standard, what you have learned in the third standard. Second question, 8092. 8092. Same as the first question. See in this question carefully with your eyes. Okay. So what do you get in this question? And basically it has containing this. So see, 8092 it represents. But what to do? Confusion, we forgot about that. The last time we did. What to do? The first question mainly. So see, remember this question and hundreds of times I will say you. So write this question. So see, 8000 is 8. 8 is on the 1000 place. 92. No more 100. So what we will do is spell a 0. What we will spell is a 0. 0, 0. Then what is a 92? 92 is a number. So here we can write a 92. 8092 is the correct answer. Now basically you will think how to do it. Now see, wait a minute. See, the C one and the D one you have to do is 9501. Take a recorder, take something. Okay, 9501. 7038. You have to do this. Okay, these two sums you have to do. I will not teach you. Now you have to do is the third Roman. You can do it till we will do till how many Romans are 12 Romans. Okay, so what's the half of 12? It's a 6. So what arranging commas? Okay, we will do 6 till 6. It means one total page we will do today. Now let's go in the third Roman. What is the third Roman? Try the expanded form of it. It is expanded. It is expanded form. Expanded form. Now what's expanded form? The place value in any number, whole wide numbers. What we have is a place value. So what's place value? Place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands have the place values. So they can take out the expanded form. What's expanded form? See. Like here, the first sum is, I will do 3 sums or 4 sums. Okay, just you have to do one sum by mind. I will give you homework on this all page. Now say write the expanded form of the following numbers. 4902 it says. First of all, place commas and write their place value. So here is a comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. It's see. Okay, this is the number. And how to write in expanded form is, know how that is. Like 4 is multiplied by 1000. That's why it's a 4000. So how many 4000 contains 0? Now I will tell you easily. Write that 4 as down. How many numbers are before? 1 after 3. So write 3 zeros. Or can't remember this also. So see. For the brilliant child, that's who can remember. On 4 is multiplied by what number? 1000. That gives you 4000. Then remember this, that the 1000, how many zeros it contains. How to write the 1000? So how many zeros the 1000 contains? So 3 zeros it contains. So give any number that 3 as zeros. Now add it to the other number, which is the hundreds. So in a hundreds place, what is the number 9? So 900 is like this, 900. Now see, do it multiply by 900. How many zeros it has? 2 zeros. So it will represent a number as the 900 plus 0 on the tens place. What will be? Is it given as 0 also? It's okay. Or 0 0 also it's okay. Or 0 0 0 also it's okay. Or continue till the end, it's okay. But how you will get it? So the shortcut method, you just do it in this way. Or remembering, or you can't remember, so see, take the number on which place it is on the 1000 place. So say how many numbers are front of it, how many numbers are front of it, how many numbers are front of it. So you can place over here. It's a 0. After that, add it to 2. Now 2 doesn't has any number front of it. So using the ones place, so it can be written as 2. Now why some brilliant children or some clever students question, why do we have the addition? Now everybody will have this question. Okay, not for just for smart kids. Okay, some may learn this early or some may not recognize, but everybody must have a question. So in this question is why we do the addition sum. Why? Try to add it. Try to do it in rough note. Add. So now, see, this is my number. So 4,000 it is. So I will write 4,000 plus 900 plus 0 plus 2. Now everybody do it. 2, 0, 9, 4. Now some may become, some not. Why some's not? Someone's not, because they will be writing like this: 4,900 0 and 2. So this is the wrongest method you will use, cause this will be 0 0 0, but 4 plus 9 of 2. This is wrong. Okay, so this is wrong. So this, not like this method, you have to do in this method. 4 in which place 1000 place, so we will write in the 1000 group. 9 in which place 100 group. 0 in which place in tens and ones. So like this you note it. Okay, this is the expanded form of a number. So these two numbers just I'm taking. I am not taking the whole number now. Then well, you will learn. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, let's see. In study, you must have fun also. So let's go for the next question. Basically, it's a 6,789. The question is 6,789. Then C question says 9,320. 9,320, 4,012. 12. I only forgot you, okay? Now, say this. What is the first one? 6,789, expanded form only. Now, so 6, which place? 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. So, what you have to do is 1,000, write 6 into by 1,000, into by 1,000, into by 100, into by tens, into by ones. Okay, so into by the 1,000, because this is the 1,000, hundreds, tens, and ones basically. So see, it's in the 1,000. So 1,000. So just give 3 zeros. How many zeros are containing to 1,000? 3. So write it 3. Add 7. 7 in which place? Hundreds into hundreds. So 7, 0, 0. 8, 80. Plus 9. This is what the number is. Now let's go to another number. 9,329,000 plus 300 plus 20. No more number in the ones place, or there is a 0, so no value. So you can write 4,012, 4,000 plus 0, 0, 0. You given or not 1 0, it's okay. Plus 1, 10 plus 2. That's 4,012. And then now let's go to the fourth exercise. Write the standard form. Just to sum, I'm going to explain because charging is low. Okay, so let's take it. Standard form. Standard form. Standard form of number 9,500. I'm just writing 90. Okay, 9,000 plus 500 plus 9 tens plus 4 1. So how to do it in a standard form? So standard form means writing the whole number like this: 9,594. This is how you write. Standard form of a number. Standard form of a number. 9594. Now let's go to the second question. It says 8,004 tens. 9 was 8,000 plus 4 tens plus 5 ones now equals to 8,084. 8,004 tens. So it will be in the hundreds place, it will be 0. So 4 and 5. This is how you write number. Only 2 sums I said. 2 sums I explained. After that you can do. Okay, you can do it. And at 4,335 is like to do it in the same as this position. It's the expanded form. You have to do in the standard form. Basically you can do it. Cut. Okay, now so now see, fill in the blanks. These are these assignments. 5th Roman. This 5th Roman. It says I given you in homework. But I will explain 2 of them. Afterwards you can do it. Okay. 7582. I'm not saying for me. 9825. This is my number. Let's do it in a playing way. This is boring, yes, by teaching way. So let's do it in a crocodile. So I will tell you one story. There's a crocodile who wants to eat fishes. 2 fishes are there. Okay, one is the bigger fish, one is the smaller fish. But he can't guess which fish to pick up. And the dinosaur goes and goes and goes. The dinosaur only I'm saying crocodile. Goes and goes and goes. But he can't find out what to do. Then the fishes go to one thing. And what they did is take on 2 numbers. 7,582 they weighed and 9,825 it weighed. Now the crocodile wants to eat what he will eat. Okay, now not in this circle. So if 2 hamburgers are there. One is the smaller one, half of it. One is the bigger one. One is a big cake, one is a small cake. So we'll always I want the big cake. What shall I do? But this crocodile wants the bigger fish. So we can do this sum by the bigger fish. So let's say that the crocodile is this and this. He opens mouth to it. So okay, 7 is on the 1,000, 100, tens one. So let's see the first 1,000. Okay, so 1,000, that 7 is there. So 7 and 9, compare it, 9. So crocodile will like to eat 9th, or you will like to eat the biggest. I want the biggest. That would do. So that's all. Now let's go to the next. Again, I will take another one. 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 1. 1,000. Which is the bigger one? I can't guess it. So let's see the hundreds place. Okay. So what's in the hundreds place? 5. Not guessing. Now let's go on the third one. 3. What the sum is? No, 2, 1. Oh, I know that one is smaller. So crocodile will eat bigger. So I will do it like this. So smaller is better, not bigger. Now, okay. Now, circle the smallest number and circle the greatest number. Okay, so circle the smallest number, circle the greatest number. So it's given. Now you will circle the greatest number. You will be happy in greatest number, like the crocodile story I said. Now let's take it as a story. Yes, amazing. So let's go. Okay. Circle the smallest. Okay, I'm just writing smallest and biggest. So I'm writing the smallest. And here is the biggest. Biggest column and the smallest column. We have to circle. circle. Now, number is the 8th Roman 8031. It means 8031, 8132, 8132, 8103, 8103, 8321, 8320. Which is the bigger number? Compare and find the smallest number. Now again I will tell you one story. There's a man, hungry man, who is roaming around and around. He finds some fishes. Some are non-veg, some are veg. So he saw this much 4 types of fishes. He saw and he said, I don't like that much. Or he saw some hamburgers. Some this number hamburgers, some this number hamburgers, some this number hamburgers, and this hamburger. So he said, no, I don't want that much to eat. I will just take little. The small number I will take. He's not selfish, okay? So he said, I will take a small number, please. Can you give me? It means he got some 10 rupees and he gone to one shop and said, please can you give me the smaller number plate. But now he can't identify this who is selling, who is giving him. He can't identify which is smaller. So you can help over here. So in this question, first of all, see the 1000. I don't know. It's all the 8. So see the 100. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3. Now I will write this number down. 0, 1, 1, 3. 3 is the greatest. 0 is the smallest. 0 is the smallest. So we got 8031. Okay. This is my story. Now let's go on another question. This is the last Roman we are going to do it. Then homework. Now the second question says 5541. Then there is 5451. 5451. Then there is 5154. I'm going to the biggest session. Okay, 5154, 5514. Okay, here let's just same story. Now let's take a caterpillar. A caterpillar was roaming and he found some food. So he found some leaves and he can't eat so many leaves. So he says, I will eat the smallest. And then he said, how could I? Then his friend came, let's take an insect or anything. Anyone came and said, what are you looking at? He says, at the food. And he counted the leaves and said, I can't identify the smaller number. So an insect, or you, or me, or you helped him. So you are confused. So what he will do? Okay, let's help him. So 5 is on which place? 1000, hundreds, tens and ones. 1000, hundreds, tens, ones. 1000, hundreds, tens, ones. 1000, hundreds, tens, ones. These are the place values. Only up to the 1000. So what I will do is, first of all, take 5,000. Confused. Now 500, 400, 100, 500. So let's take out 5, 4, 1, 5. These are our in the 100 space. So 1 is the smallest and the 5 is the greatest. But now 2 are compared, but let's keep that and just take the 1 because there are 2 numbers how we know. Okay, so 1, 5, 1, 5, 4 is the smallest number. So this I will circle it. Not to depend on the 54, 51, depend on 1000. If 1000 is same 100, 100 is same tens, tens is same ones. If ones are same, so we will use the equality symbol. Okay. Now, the greatest. So my number is 65366356. 6526. Another number is 6356. 6356. The third number is 6563. 6500. What is this? 63. And at last 6365. 6365. Now let's read my story. Yes, fine. So the same part. So there is a poor family, and now they want something to eat. The poor family will have 4 members. One mother, father, two childs. So okay, then 2 childs. So and the poor man, gone, and he got in 10 rupees. Everything cost 10 rupees. I don't know what. Okay, let it go. Just say 10 rupees, 10 rupees everything. So he gone and saw 10 rupees. So he said, oh, I have 10 rupees. I can buy something. I can buy some food. Then he gone to a shop and says to salesman, give me the greatest. He was selfish. Not selfish, but he wanted to keep some food, store some food, or give some of his family. So he said, please give me the greatest bucket of food, greatest number of food. And the salesman came. Salesman said, okay, I will give you. And he got. But he thought this much to the rice or this much number something. Let's take, okay, anything, but he got something of food. Okay. So he said, the greatest. So which is the greatest? He started to identify. You have to help the salesman, so he can help the poor one, and the poor one can help his family. So see, 6 is on the thousand. This is the correct number. 1000. 5 3 5. Okay, 5 enter 3 3 3 5. Now these are the hundreds, but okay, 5 are the bigger, 5 are the bigger, but 3 and 3 are the smaller. But how can we identify? So what I will do is, it is the 5 numbers. This was a 5 number, this was 5. I will cut them and just compare these numbers. Now I have only 2 numbers to compare. So 6 3 3. Then I will look at the tens place. 10 is 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 if I compared, 6 is the greater. So it will be 6. Oh, wait. I'm going all wrong. We want the greatest number now. In the storytelling, I only forgot it. So 6 5 3 6 6 3 5 6 6 5. Okay, 3 6. I'm not writing, just the 5 1 6 5 6 3. This is my number. Now we have to compare this, because the first, third were all less. So these are the 500s. Now here is 3 and here is 6. So 6 5 6 3 is greater number. Compare this 6 and compare this 3. So the salesman got the perfect amount of what he wanted and the food, something. So then the salesman given him, he was also happy and he took the food to his home. Now I will give you homework time. Okay. So now let's start. So the first question: how to write 5024 in words? And we will write at the top. So in words. Two questions are there. These are 5067, 56. No, this is not 0567. How to write them? Then is write in figures 4000, 90. How to write this? Only one question depended on it. Expanded form. Expanded form. Okay. Figures. Expanded form. We have to write expanded of 5965 and 59 with 5656. Then there is write the standard form. Standard form of number like 5000, 600. Silence now. 20, 620. 2. Okay, the standard form. Another question on the standard form is $4,620 plus 2. If anything mistake happen in writing, please you do it in nice way, cause I'm in the hurry. 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 2, 5, 6. Okay, compare. Okay, compare. I'm just writing compare because there is no space for writing compare. And 6666. What will be sign in this? I said it in the middle of videos if I don't take this out. Okay, then there is sum of smallest number and the biggest. So the smallest number you can have is, I'm giving you 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 2, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 2, 5, 5, 5, 2. Biggest is 6, 6, 6, 6, 9, 9, 9, 2, 9, 9, 9, 5, 9, 9, 9, 6. Identify both this in both the number, the smallest one, the biggest one, smallest, greatest. Okay, this is your homework on what I taught you today. This is all the one, and from the 6th Roman we did 7th, so I taken the half of 12. So in the next video or the next day I will make the video. Please stay and please see the video and see 7th we will do the 7th to the 12th or 7th to the 11th, because that's the mean read the stories and carefully and solve them. Those are word problems, we can do it later also, but give the time to addition, subtraction, and what's today's homework give. Okay, what I have ever taught you today, do it. Bye.